Thinking about becoming an FAA-certified A&P mechanic? Let's break down the 2026 salary, job outlook, and career path. The outlook for A&P mechanics in 2026 is exceptionally strong. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports a median annual wage of over $78,000, with the top 10% earning more than $120,000. This high pay is fueled by a critical need for licensed technicians. The BLS projects 5% employment growth through 2034, which is faster than the average for all occupations. This creates about 13,100 job openings each year, making the A&P one of the most in-demand skilled trades in America. Where you work matters. Your salary as an A&P mechanic can vary significantly by employer. The highest-paying sector is scheduled air transportation, where airlines pay a median of over $95,000 per year. Cargo carriers like FedEx and UPS can push total compensation even higher with overtime. In contrast, support activities like MROs and FBOs, which employ the largest share of mechanics, have a lower median wage around $67,000. Moving from an MRO to a major airline is one of the biggest pay jumps you can make. The high demand for A&P mechanics isn't temporary. It's driven by powerful long-term trends. First, a retirement wave is hitting the industry as the median MRO technician is over 50 years old. Second, global air traffic is growing and aging fleets require more maintenance. Industry forecasts project a U.S. maintenance worker shortfall of up to 48,000 by 2027. This structural shortage means your skills are not only in demand, but also secure, as the job is AI-resistant and cannot be offshored. The A&P certificate is your entry ticket, not the end of the line. Your career and pay will grow with experience. A new mechanic might start between $50,000 and $66,000. After a few years, you'll be troubleshooting independently and earning more. With 5 to 10 years of experience, you can become a senior mechanic, lead, or crew chief, pushing your base pay well over 6 figures. This clear career ladder provides a direct path from the hangar floor to management roles like Director of Maintenance. After getting your A&P, the single biggest boost to your career and pay is earning your Inspection Authorization, or IA. To qualify, you need at least 3 years of experience and must pass an FAA knowledge test. An IA allows you to perform annual inspections and approve major repairs, which significantly increases your value. Mechanics with an IA typically earn $10 to $25 more per hour than their non-IA peers. This credential opens the door to top-tier technical roles and even running your own shop. While the pay and job security are excellent, the A&P life has real trade-offs. Most mechanics work shifts that include nights, weekends, and holidays, which can be tough on your sleep schedule. The job is also physically demanding, requiring you to wake in hangars and on airfields in all weather conditions, often in uncomfortable positions. Finally, every time you sign off a repair, you are taking on federal legal responsibility for that aircraft's airworthiness. This is a high-stakes, high-responsibility career. For those comfortable with the trade-offs, becoming an A&P mechanic is one of the best-positioned skilled trades in America. The demand is real, the pay is strong, and the career path is clear. To learn more about the exam process, read our full A&P exam guide on our blog.